Look, everybody, look! American alligator. Alligator Americano. Now, let's look at this. Sorry, that fly. I don't know how it got here. Let's take a look. Habitat. Alligators live in rivers, lakes, streams, canals, and swamps in the southeastern United States. They can tolerate salt water for short periods, but generally live in freshwater. Habitat. Oh, there's a food. Okay, alligators eat fish, crustaceans, reptiles, birds, and mammals. In some regions, including this zoo, alligators fast during the fall and winter. What alligator? The American alligator? No! There it is! I'm surprised that alligator doesn't move, but it's a young alligator. That's not a big alligator, it's a young one, an offspring. I think it's more like a kid alligator, and it's moving. Now, where's that parent? Sorry, excuse me. How many alligators I'm seeing?
Alligator. You can't see anything.
There it is. All I see is two alligators. Now those are animals we're seeing right now. And right now, let's move to another. First I'm gonna say goodbye. See you later, crocodile. Oops, that's not crocodile. I would say alligator. What I'm saying is,
it's actually a really good angle.
See you later, alligator, in the wild, crocodile. That's a joke for me to say, like, see you later, alligator, in the wild, crocodile. That's something I learned from Doodle Bops and more. Oh, and before we move on, let's look at the signs. Excuse me. Coming through. Excuse me.
No, usually no. We get for everybody.
Sorry.
Come here, folks.
Hi. There's an alligator in my bathtub. What happens when a 10-inch baby grows into a 6-foot adult? Trouble. Alligators, like other exotic animals, may seem like cool pets, but they quickly become more than most people can handle. It's best to enjoy them in the wild or safely at your local AZA accredited zoo or aquarium. A local celebrity surfaces the LA Zoo, a new home for a star, released into Lake Macado in Harbor City after he became too much for his owner to handle. Reggie the alligator quickly became famous. For nearly 2 years, many attempts were made to capture Reggie. He was finally rescued by our own city employees and brought safely to the LA Zoo, where experts are able to give him the proper care he requires. Reggie. So that must be the Reggie that I'm talking about. All about Reggie. Reggie measures about 8 feet long and weighs around 200 pounds or 90 kilos. He is between 20 and 28 years of age. Every week he eats 2 to 3 pounds of assorted meats, chicken, fish, rats, or specifically formulated crocodile chow with vitamin supplements. Wow, that's a good, interesting scientific fact. And how much the alligator weighed. Now that is pretty educational to find out how much alligators really weigh, or crocodiles. Alligators do weigh around 200 pounds or 90 kilos. And especially they're carnivore. Carnivore is an animal that eats meat, so alligator do count as a carnivore because it eats meat like chicken and rats and other animals that made of meat. Look at all these shops. Even though they're expensive prices. Restrooms on the left. International Marketplace. Wow. Now this is gonna be a best tour ever. I didn't know they sell merchandise. Wow, I didn't know there's banks in here. ATM. Looks like there's so many ways. Now, let's look at this. Okay, there are signs up there at the main zoo administration. Now, let's take a look at the map. Oh, what's this? What plant ruled the earth before flower power? Cycads ruled. Cycads were dominant 200 million years ago. Flowering plants were sold up only 140 million years ago. Wow, some plants do have immortal cells like the trees. Unless they get chopped down and die. Okay, here's the map. There's restaurants on the left. Gardens. Okay, where are we now? Okay, so on left I could see alligators and birds. Now those are birds I love to see. Now those are many animals: monkeys, giraffes, elephants, and wild pigs. And not to mention this wild horses like zebras. Now, what do I want to go? Okay, if I go left, I would see the meerkats and flamingos. I could say hello to flamingos. Come on.
So